Dun 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 dun.
Ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ting tang, walla walla bang bang.
Recording. Fountainhead.
Don't ever read it.
It's a trap. Alright, I will come from off camera. And y'all like, what are my clothes? I have no idea how difficult this is. Maybe smiling. Go. This bed's too tall. Ugh. Dun, 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 dun. Feel me. Go! My sexy leg. Okay! What the frick? It's already recording? How long has it been recording? We're watching a naughty movie. Take 2 so we can find a more inappropriate scene to watch. Because we all want to watch these inappropriate scenes.
Have at your house where you like sing the Pledge of Allegiance every night?
Yes. I say the Pledge of Allegiance every night before I go to bed.
We're gonna get such a nice blooper video. We have so much nonsense in these.
This is what happens when Kaylee takes off her wig.
I don't know what it looks like.
You'll be able to see it. And the cap came off with it. It's on the ground. Did you like that violent kiss right there? It was like, boom. Violent kisses for the win.